Hello guys, good day everyone. My name is Emmanuel and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing PHP's reserved method, which is empty, right? And its downside. Now empty is often misunderstood in PHP, right? It returns true for values you might expect not to be empty. For example, is this variable we have here, which is 0 as a string, right? And so in this video I am going to show you the cases where this empty reserved method is going to fail you. Now the first case is this, right? Let's run this piece of code in my terminal. So you can see for a fact the value variable is not empty. It has 0 string attached to it, but then in this case the result of our code is saying empty. Now let's not even make 0 a string. Let's make it an integer, and let's run the same piece of code again. You can see it still returns empty, and for a fact it is not empty. So the best way to get yourself out of this and not maybe mess up your code is to actually do a strict type check when you want to use the reserved method, right? So what you just need to do here is to say an example of how you can get out of the mess is you do a strict type check like this. If for example in this case value is equals, not equals, but if it is empty, so you echo empty. So what have I done in this case? I am doing a strict type check to see if this value variable is actually an empty string, right? In that case it should actually now return empty. So if you check here, you see that it is not going to return empty. But let's just do this. Let's do an if else statement, right? So else echo, let's just echo value, right? Let's echo value. So here let's run the piece of code again. As you can see, we now have 0 as our result. So the basic thing I'm driving at in this video is to let you know that you shouldn't trust the empty reserved method blindly. So in other cases you can actually use another reserved variable, which is PHP's isset. So you can use isset, or you can do a strict type check, just like I've done in this video. So do like, subscribe, and then drop your comments on this video. Thank you.